Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking crispy salmon belly with vegetables. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have mushroom, onion, baby corn, tomatoes, red and green bell pepper, asparagus, eggs, minced garlic, a cornstarch, hoisin sauce, we have oyster sauce, fish sauce, olive oil, we have garlic powder, and black pepper. And also, of course, we have our salmon belly here, which we're gonna fry to make it crispy. But we have to coat it first before we fry it. So let's get started. Okay, let's put our cornstarch. 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, and we're gonna add our eggs. Go. More egg. Our black pepper. Our garlic powder, and then we're gonna mix this. Okay, mix it good. Put a little bit of water or milk, whichever you prefer. Okay, and then mix it good, mix it well. Now our coating is well mixed here already, so we have to put our belly. Just pour it in here. Okay, all right. And then this is ready to be fried. Okay, I think our oil is hot enough, so we're gonna fry the belly for 1 minute, and we will put this aside while waiting for our veggie to be cooked. Now we will pan fry our vegetables. So in our wok here, we add our garlic, just a little of garlic, and then we will add our onion, all right. We will add our asparagus. We need 1 minute for this. Let's add a little of butter here. Okay. Give it a stir. Right? Let's add a little of oyster sauce. Okay. And also teaspoon of hoisin sauce. Give it a stir. A little of soy sauce. Okay. Then let's add our young corn. And of course our mushroom. Give it a stir again. And give it a minute. Now I think this is already half cooked. So let's put our green and red bell pepper, our tomatoes, and we're gonna give this guy another minute and it should be done. So we'll cover this. Look, our veggie is beautiful here. Look at this color, red, green, and it's like rainbow color here, and it smells real good. So this is done, and we're gonna put this into our serving dish with our crispy salmon belly. Here is our finished product, crispy salmon belly with vegetables. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel for future videos. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you for watching and have a good day.